Now we can discuss about mobile laundry. This is also personal services business ideas. So in that we are discussing about part 5, that is mobile laundry. My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. SEEYOURNEEDS. So no commas or spaces, everything. SEEYOURNEEDS. All small letters. If you type it, you will get the channel details in the YouTube search. So now we can go into the subject about mobile laundry. Laundry is different from mobile laundry. Laundry means you should go to that laundry place and you should submit your class and get a bill and come to the home. It is a commitment and time killing service. But mobile laundry means once if you call to any mobile laundry shop, from that person, particularly one person will be there with good vehicle and a boy also. That boy will come to your home and he will take your clothes and how much it will be and everything he will say, and they will take it, and after 1 week or 4 days or 3 days they will get back the same. That will be called as mobile laundry. Now mobile laundry is also increased in very well because customer needs are the business of the service. So likewise mobile laundry is also increasing. Mobile laundry services can be an ideal extension of an existing laundry business. Anyone else will have to deal with high investment costs and relatively low returns. In this day and age, it is paramount to make the entire service as convenient as possible, which often means creating mobile applications and a website where customers can schedule deliveries and pickups. So mobile laundry person will come with a good vehicle with how to pick up and how to keep up the class and sending class and receiving class also. One delivery bag also will be there for him comfortably, and he will come very comfortably and he will explain everything, and what will be the charge also he will explain, and he will give the bill also. After paying the bill, he will take the class and he will deliver the things and he will get the money. And by that housekeeping ladies will be housekeeping ladies can feel very good comfort to deliver to the mobile laundry person. So it is also a good service and it is comfortable, and the housekeeping people, wives, housewives can enjoy so much for everything. But because if one, even for laundry shop also, if one woman is going to outside means all his husband and the children also will go to the school, and husband also will go to the job, only she will be there. So she can again for going outside means some look also required for the outer people. So again she will wear a jacket and one sari and everything, and she should go with some basic makeup and locking the door and locking to his home and go to the outside means it is very time killing process. Once if you call for mobile laundry person, if you are calling to home means he will come for 1 or 2 hours of time choice, and he will bell the ring of door, and he will come and he will get the class and he will go back. So once he is habituated, I am something, my name is this, you please come means he will come easily without saying the road name, road number and addresses. First time you should say the address, second time you need not say, yes, I understand it, I will come, he will say simply. Likewise, mobile laundry is a very good service nowadays, not only in Hyderabad, in Calcutta, Bombay, Delhi, and so many areas. Now mobile laundry services are increasing very well, and it is a good service and it is prosperous to the nation also. Wishing you all the best.